Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to CheaPO review. So this is just a quick update videos about the HiBREW 3-in-1 capsule coffee machine. Basically, this is a 3-in-1 capsule coffee machine that can use two types of capsule, which is Dolce Gusto and Nespresso, and also the ground coffee powder. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to make a nice cup of coffee using the ground coffee powder adapter. If you haven't seen the review videos about this coffee machine, kindly hit on the link above to check it out. Okay, so let's move right into it. To give you guys a better idea, I'm gonna prepare the coffee powder from scratch. So basically, I have the coffee powder adapter here. This is where you can put the coffee powder inside. And this is the coffee bean I have, and this is the manual coffee grinder I bought from Lazada. It costs only around 25 ringgit, so it's less than $6 USD. So now let's start grind some coffee powder. First, I'm going to adjust the grind size. So I actually have asked the manufacturer about the coffee grind size, and they said that this machine actually can handle up to fine size coffee powder. But he also mentioned that if you have trouble brewing, try to reduce the grind size. So basically, I'm gonna set the setting to fine size. And now I'm gonna put in some coffee bean. And start grinding it. This is gonna take a bit of efforts, but this is the CheaPO way. So now let's check on the grind size. So this is the size that I'm gonna use to brew this coffee, just for your reference. This will take some trial and error. So basically, if you try to brew a coffee and the coffee cannot come through, you just need to increase the grind size. Alright, so now we have the right amount of coffee. We are gonna transfer it to the coffee powder adapter. So this is the usual amount of coffee powder I put every time. Max, you will need to press and compact the coffee using this sort of spoon thing. Make sure that you compress it flat, and your coffee is ready to be brewed. Alright, so now we're gonna insert the coffee adapter and make sure that it is fully inserted before you secure the lid. Now we're gonna switch on the machine and let it warm up. Okay, so the machine is ready. So I usually drink Lungo, so I'm just gonna go for the Lungo size. And here comes the coffee. So it definitely works. Okay, so in case it does not work again, try to adjust your coffee grind size. And there you have it, a nice cup of coffee from ground coffee powder adapter. So you just need to add some sugar or milk inside. As you can see, the coffee has a nice layer of froth. Looks delicious. So the cleaning is also very straightforward and easy. So you just need to open it up. Be careful, it is very hot. Okay, so and you just need to rinse it with water, and that's it, and let it dry. So that's basically for these videos. If you have any other question, leave your comment down below and I'll try to answer them for you. And I'll see you on the next video.